Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying Intersect command. So let's just draw some sketch first. I want to draw this circle and some construction line from here to here. I want to construct a sphere. I will trim out this and I want to revolve. Yeah, I want to revolve this around this point. So here's my sphere. Okay, I want to give some color to this sphere. This blue is good. Okay, now select any surface, any plane, sorry, and just draw a spline. Any spline. Like this. Okay, so this is my spline. Now go to insert and surface tools, surface extrude, and I want this spline on mid plane, not mid plane, sorry, on both sides. Yeah, mid plane, so it will. Okay, just increase it from here. Okay, like this. 180 is good. And here it is. Now give this some color. Give the surface a color. The color has to be something like an orange. Should look like something like orange color. Yeah, that's good. And now, what I need to do, go to intersect command. The surfaces that I want to intersect, I want this surface and this surface to intersect. Intersect this one. Now, click either this one or this one, and there is your preview. If you check this one, then it will show only these regions that will be included, and if you click this one, so those regions will be excluded, and this will show you both the regions. So in the first, I have selected this that I wanted to include. So this is first region, this one, which is this one, the downward region. So if I check this one, it means that this region, the downward region, will be deleted. Okay, now you can see this region is deleted, but it is showing there's not a clear, there's showing some surface above. You can either hide this one or go to intersect command and yeah, consume surface, and it's hide now. You can see it. Okay, this is how it works. Intersect command works. If you go again and you select the other surface, it will show you the upper one again. So this was about the intersect command. Let's let us okay, now delete this whole, and I will show you another use of the intersect command. You can create any closed shape like a cube by using intersect command, but how will you use it? I'll show you. Okay, um, now go to reference geometry, select any plane. First I will select this one and we'll click OK. Now this plane is already selected. I will select again this one and I will give it a value of something like 60. No, 60 is okay. 60 is good. Okay, 60 or maybe more than 60. Okay, it should be 100. Okay, it's 100. Now again, go to top plane, reference geometry, and I want something just above the top plane, or not above. I want something flip direction here. Okay. Now again select this one and now 100 mm from there, but flip the side here. Okay, and go to this plane. I want this plane right above. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, it's not carrying it. Okay. 100 mm above. No. I think it will be 60 millimeters. Or maybe 50. Yeah, it's 50. It is good. Okay. Now, the first plane I need to select. Can flip direction and 30 millimeters here. I think 50 will be enough. 50 will be enough. Yes, so they're both intersecting each other. Okay, now again go to the right plane and go to reference geometry and select the 50 or put the direction. 50 is good. And now again go to reference geometry, select another plane and give it distance of 100. Okay, now go to plane number 5. Sorry, I don't want to create a sketch on it. I just wanted to drag it a bit this direction. Now to plane number 6, plane 5. Okay, and there should be 60. Yep. Now it's good. Okay, so what you will do, go to intersect command, and what you need to do, you need to select all these planes and select intersect. Okay, and click OK. So this is a cubic body which I have created inside these planes. So you can use intersect tool in this way also, by creating any closed shape by intersecting some planes, and it will create a new shape inside those planes. I hope you would like it. Please like and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.